Mad Money Lightning Round is brought to you by TD Ameritrade, where smart investors get smarter.
Before we start tonight's lightning round, I want to highlight tonight's CNBC special report. Scott Wapner and I will be breaking down today's wild ride. And, of course, I'm looking for opportunities to help you manage your portfolio tonight at 8 p.m. on CNBC. And it is now time for the lightning round. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Steve? That's how the lightning round comes. Let's start with Neil in New Jersey. Neil.
Hey, what's up, Jim? Big Blue Yacht coming to you from New Jersey.
Okay, I like that.
Just want to, I watch your show every night and value all your insight in the market. Giving you a call tonight, what your thoughts are on EQRx.
Okay, earlier in the show, I talked about what certain companies have to do is they have to buy biotech companies. And this is the kind of company that needs to be bought. It shouldn't be independent. Ernie in Illinois. Ernie.
Hey, Dr. Cramer, how are you? Thanks for everything you do.
Well, thank you, Dr. Pepper and Dr. Cramer, credited from the same school. How can I help?
So I have a huge position in DigitalOcean, DOCN. I've been following it since the IPO came out. I bought it at 76, 80, and 117. Now it's in a world of pain. What should I do?
Well, cry me a river for that DigitalOcean. It sells at 190 times earnings. I'm not recommending anything that's north of 50 times earnings. That's just my new rule, discipline to get me through this tough time. Ed in Texas. Ed.
Oh, yeah, Jim. Member of your investment club.
Thank you.
Tell me about Occidental Petroleum, OXY.
It's the only oil stock that I don't like here. Let's go to Joe in New Jersey. Joe.
Hey, Jim. I wanted to ask your opinion about Q Health, HLTH. They have a COVID test on the market right now that produces PCR results in 20 minutes. They had an IPO in September. It's already being used by the NBA, Google, Air Canada. I started buying at 14, kept buying all the way down to 9.50, but in the past 2 weeks it's kept sinking, and it's down almost 50%.
We got too many tests. What can I say? Even the best that have tests are crumbling here, so that one has to crumble right along with it. Let's go to Robert in Virginia. Robert.
Hey, Mr. Cramer, how are you doing today?
I'm doing well. How about you?
Great. Good. Hey, I got this stock a while ago when it was like down at 40. I've been nibbling on the downturns ever since. I got rid of half of it last Friday, and I want to know if I should keep nibbling at it or should I diversify it? ADT.
No, there's nothing there in ADT. That should have never have come public. That was another one of those where they just got you. I mean, I wonder if they'd be laughing. Now, and that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by TD Ameritrade. Coming up, to make money in this market, you've got to master the business section and what's above the fold. Cramer goes around the world to get a grip on the geopolitics driving Wall Street's action. Next. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.